You're welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Art Brands Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to design a church flyer with these details you are seeing here. These are the pictures of the people that will be on the flyer. And here's the name of the church. This is Global Evangelical Church. We're going to design a flyer for them, and by the time we are done, you will see a very nice flyer design for the church. Alright, before we start today's video, I want you to understand that if you are a student, you can ask us to send you all the files we are using in this design. We can send them to you to use something like this for the date icon, the time icon, and the venue icon. We can send it to you and watch how we are going to use this thing here in our design. Very important. Watch how we'll be using this thing here in our design. So kindly pay attention. If you are a student, the files will be sent to you to use for your work. Okay, now we have this background here. This background has been created already by myself. Okay, so if you want the background to, I can send it to you, but I just want you to know that this thing you are seeing here contains about 6 images. Okay, to make it one like this, 6 different images to make it one like this. So that's what I'm using for my design today. So this is A4 size. Okay, this whole thing you're seeing here is A4 size. Now I'm going to arrange the pictures and then put the church name over there. So I'm going to type the name of the church at the top here. Come to the top here. Let's type the name of the church. The church name is called Global. Pick your text tool. Okay, just pick your text tool like this. Click here and type Global Evangelical Church. Evangelical Church. Press the enter key and type Glory Land. Glory Land Chapel. So that is it. Click on the pick tool. Make it smaller to be at the center like this. Give it white color from here. Click on the text tool. Make sure this is at the center of the whole thing. So just come to the align here. Choose align center. From here you can press Ctrl+E whilst you're in the text tool. So it will align at the center like this. Click on the picture again. Let's pick a font size for it, a font type for it. I will choose a font called Nexa Bold. Nexa Bold, that is fine. So just leave this one at the top here like this. I will make it a bit smaller like this. Then bring it to somewhere like this. Then I'm going to bring the logo. I'll put the logo here like this. Make the logo smaller. Make the logo smaller like this. Then I'll click on my text tool again, come here and type present like this. Click on the pick tool, make it small like this, bring it down like this, and then click on the shape tool here and open it like this. Give it the same white color like this. Then it should be here, somewhere here like this. Okay. Now the next thing we will do is to bring their pictures. So because this is the host, I will bring the host picture here like this. I would like it to be big like this. I'll bring this guest here. I'll bring this guest here. And I'll also bring this guest here. Now if their pictures are kind of showing the inside of the bottle, you can just click on the transparency tool and blur the picture like this. That is if you have to blur the bottom of the picture. Okay, but I've done my own already, so it's okay for me. Okay, now this is how the pictures are going to be arranged. I like it this way. Then we are going to type their names here. the name of the host. So I'll type host like this, press the enter key and type rev dot s dot k cc. So that's the name of the host. Click on the pick tool and make it smaller like this. I like to choose a font size, something like this, but I will not use the italics. I like it like this. The color should be black. So I'll just copy this name, paste it, and bring it here like this. Give it white color. Click on the text tool and type here guest. Okay, and then type the guest name. The guest name is Mama Peace. Mama Peace Ametepe. Mama Peace Ametepe. So bring it here like this. I'm just going to copy this one, paste it, bring it here like this, and then just click on the text tool, delete this once, and just let the guest remain and type Minister Joe like this. That is fine. That is fine. Now the next thing you will do is you will type the program name, that is Media Worship. So let's pick our text tool. So far we are done with the pictures and their names. Okay, the text tool and type Media Worship. Media Worship. Okay, now you're going to work on this text like this. Okay, press Ctrl plus K to cut the text apart. As for the Media Worship, let's select a font type for which I'll search for a font called Stretch Pro. If you don't have it, kindly download it. Okay, it's very good. Stretch Pro. This is how it looks like. Okay, bring the year here like this. Okay, so the media should have this font type called Stretch Pro. So you can bring the two here like this. Let it be there. We are going to work on the worship. I would like to use a font type called Anton for worship. Anton for worship. This one. Good. Make it big like this. Let's try and send this one to a new page and then we work on it. Okay, so let's copy from here, come to the bottom here, add a page and paste it here, bring it to the center here. Now watch how we are going to work on this one. Come to the previous page, pick this thing, copy it, go to the next page, paste it here, click on the click on it and then click on the right mouse button on it and choose outline trace. Come to detail logo, then wait for it to work on like this and click on OK. Now bring this one down like this, delete this one, come here and ungroup this one like this, delete this one at the top here. If I delete everything you're seeing at the top there, remaining with this one alone, select it like this and then just group it and give it one color like this, black color. Okay, now bring it on top of the zero and now the O you are seeing there. So let's break the text apart by Ctrl plus K. Now use the left arrow key to send the W to this side like this, and then this one to select them and send them to this side like this. So bring this into the A, bring it down like this, bring it down like this. Try to give it a different color so that you see it well on there. bring it down a little bit like this. Good. Now click on it like this. Click on this arrow here to the tool called shadow tool. Click on the arrow and choose contour, okay, and come to the side of this thing. Don't go to the inside here, just come to the side of it like this. Click and drag. You have something like this. You have an outline, okay. I think this is fine. Come here and click and choose round corner, and then we are going to click on the last to the arrow here and choose smart fill, then click on the black here. Good, that is what we want. Now click on the pick tool, click on the red here, and then click on the white outline you're seeing there. Your color may be black, okay, so just click on the outline color and break contour apart, then click on the red, cut it by Ctrl+X. Okay, now click on this black and delete it. Click on this one, remove the outline from it like this, and then paste what you just cut here like this. Have you seen it? Very good. Now let's select the two of them like this, and let's make it black color like this. Sorry. Let's delete the outline. Okay, the outline is showing, so let's delete the outline. So this is how it's going to be like. Right now we are done with the worship, so let's select the two of them, all the text like this. Let's group in. Let's save this text without the background, then we can transform it into a 3D format. Okay, so let's do export it. Go to file on the menu bar, go to export, that's Ctrl+E. right now come here and choose PNG. Good, you can give it a file name, worship, then export it like this. So there's a mockup I have here that I'm going to use. I'll use this mockup here. Click in the box here like this, double click there, and then it will open the mockup for you. Go and bring in the worship file we just saved right now. Bring in the worship file we just saved right now. So this is the worship file. Bring it into the Photoshop file that I just opened here. You can make it bigger if you want to. Just press your Alt key and make it bigger. Now come here and click on this mark here. Close the eye of the one that was there before by clicking on this eye here, and then you will see your own open. Now come here and try to close it here and choose yes. So your normal black worship file will be transformed to a 3D text like this. This is very nice. So let's close the eye of this text. That's the text you are seeing there. And then let's try to close the eye of the whole background so that we can export just the text out and use. Okay, now come here and close the eye of background like this, and then come to the FX here, open the folder like this, close the eye of this light, the shadow, the surface, the border, open the eye of the surface, okay, and the border. So okay, so I like this one like this. Now let's export it out from the software so we can use it in the CorelDRAW. Come to file on the menu bar, come to save as, and then go to desktop here, come here and choose PNG and click on save. So this should be saved to your desktop right now. Now go to your desktop by minimizing this window, minimize this window. So this is the file here. Bring it to CorelDRAW. So you see how we just transform the file. Okay, now let me just crop the excess space around it out like this. So this is the file we transform. Now let's copy this here, come to the previous page and paste it here. Make it smaller like this. So that's what we just did right now. And put the media service on top of it like this. Sorry, the media text should be on top like this. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do, we will use this one and bring it here like this. And then we will type the theme on it. Okay. Click on the text tool and type theme. Click on the pick tool and give it a white color like this. Bring it here like this. Let's use the same font we use called Stretch Pro. This is it. Better. It should be here like this. So here, what I will just do is I'll just copy this text, paste it, and bring it here like this. Then I will type the theme for the program. Type the theme is worship the Lord with all your possession. So this font called Stretch Pro, sometimes it gives you this kind of text format. If you type the text, the word twice, let's say all, you see it gives us this long bar. So it has different format. You can go and choose a different one. So you can choose the basic one, then it will come like this. So this is the theme for the program. Worship the Lord with all your possessions. Now I'm going to come here, align center, and then it will become like this. Click on the shape tool here and close the space at between them like this, and click on the pick tool and make it big like this to align well under the theme. Good. Now let's type the scripture for the program. All these are too big. Let me make it small like this. Let's type the scripture for the program. Click on the text tool and type Exodus chapter 23 verse 25. Click on the text, the pick tool, and give it white color. Don't forget, I am typing everything you're seeing here. Okay, so this is where I am taking the information from. Okay, now give it a white color, make it smaller like this, and then click on the shape tool and open like this. So it should be under the theme. Do it like this. Okay, all right. It should be under the theme. You can make it bold like this. So the next thing we'll be doing is we will type the date, the time, and the venue for the program. So this is the date, this is the venue, and this is the time. So let's come here. Let's bring this thing here like this. If you are a student, we will send this to you for free. Okay. All right. So bring it here like this. Click on the text tool and type the date. The date is 7 July 2024 like this. Click on the pick tool, give it a white color like this. Click here and close the space between them small like this. Let's use a font called Nexa Bold like this. Good. So do it, make it small like this. All right. I like to use this font for the date. Yeah, that's fine. So let's just copy and paste this, bring it here like this, and type 5 p.m. 5 p.m. So the PM should come at the bottom here like this. That's what they want. So just bring it like this. Let's copy the same thing and make it, paste it and bring it here like this. Then let's type the venue, GEC Glory Land. Press the enter key. Type chapel hyphen Anglican. So that is the venue for the program. So I like the way this one is. Bring it a bit closer like this, a bit closer like this. So now let's select all of them, let's group them, Ctrl plus J, then assume it's at the center of the whole page like this. Just assume that it's at the center of the whole page like this. Now the next thing you will do is that you will create something around the date, time and venue. So watch me, click on my tool here, then I'm going to create this thing like this. Okay, I want it to be at the center of the whole thing, so I'm going to give it a color first, take off the black outline around it, press P to have it at the center of the whole page, and then make sure that it's enlarged to the length of the word worship, and bring it down small by holding the Control key, and you bring it down small like this. Now let's pick the date and the time and venue and put it aside like this. Let's work on this thing first. This one too, let's produce a copy of it, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, and put a copy down like this because you will be needing that. Okay, now click on this one, copy and paste it again, give the one you just pasted a different color and make it smaller like this. Make it smaller like this by holding the Control key before you do, so that it will pick from all both sides. So this one is okay like this, and then let's you see the way I've done it. Good. So I'm going to click on the Smart Fill tool from here and then select this one like this. I just need that outline. Then click on this one, delete it. This one to delete it. But click on the outline here and click here and take out the black outline. Give it this color here. So here we are going to put the date inside there, but then before then, let's click on this tool again. Mark here. Good. Mark here too. Good. The same process. Pick the Smart Fill tool and pick here like this. And then click on the one before this thing you create here, delete it. Come here, the one you create here to delete it, and delete this one too. So you have something like this, right? Click on it and take out the black outline and then give it the color back. So now it will be like this, right? Good. Let's put the date, the time and the venue here like this. Make it smaller like this. Beautiful. So let's bring this one back here like this. Make it smaller like this. Make it smaller like this. This shouldn't be difficult for you at all because you're almost done. So now you'll be typing this on this one, you'll be typing this information here. Also ministering, okay, you'll be typing this information on this space here. But then before then, let's create something here. Give this one white color like this. Okay, it should be on top of the whole thing. So press shift plus page up, so it should be on top of this outline. Now copy and paste it, Control plus C and Control plus V. Give it this color back. Click on these two and make here like this. Okay, now copy and paste it and turn it like this, so that the middle will have this kind of white reflection here. Now give it, select all like this and group it. Click on your text tool and type also ministry. Click on the pick tool and make it smaller like this. Let's use the same font called Nexa Bold like this. Make it smaller like this, okay. Copy and paste it and bring it down like this and type host choir, and then into bracket Glory Land, comma, Mega Church, and then into bracket again anointed voices, and then bracket close. So that is what will be at the bottom here, and then just bring it down somewhere like this. Bring it down here like this. So what we'll be doing here is that we'll be putting something like a triangle here. Click on the polygon tool like this and then draw a triangle like this. Change the size of the triangle to 3. So click here at the bottom 1, 3, and then flip it upside down like this and give it black color and take off the black outline. Then you have the outline, the triangle looking down like this. Perfect. The last thing is you will type this information for enquiries. Okay, so just come at the bottom here, pick your text tool and type for enquiries and type the number 024 67 90 306. Click on the pick tool and give it this white color. Make it smaller. Pick the font Nexa Bold. Make it smaller like this. And then click on the shape tool and bring the space like this. Beautiful. So if you see a very nice poster design in town, something like this, you're asking yourself, how did you do this? This is how you get something like this designed. Okay, now I am done with the whole thing. As you can see, everything has been positioned well. If you find anything difficult here, you can just ask a question. If you are a student, you send you a video on how to get it done. Okay, now this shouldn't be difficult for you. The part that should be difficult for you is how to create the text, the worship text. And if you study the process very well, it should be easy for you. If today is your first time watching our video, please don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to click on the bell so anytime we upload a new video, you will get the notification. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.